In the article, Bobber 500 Hardware, Rigorous Environmental Testing Procedures, we go over the purpose of performing strenuous testing of the Bobber 500 units. Everything from 72-hour burn-in testing to max load on CPU, RAM, storage, Ethernet ports, and LoRaWAN concentrators. We also provide images and screenshots from our testing so you can see real-world examples of just how we measure our results. Additionally, we test the Bobber 500 under 8-hour extreme temperatures for high temperatures, low temperatures, power on-off cycling tests, and 8-hour extreme and low humidity testing. And lastly, we subject the Bobber 500 to 8-hour intensive 3-directional vibrational testing. In the end, the Bobber 500 units that we tested under these extreme conditions held up for all the test criteria we subjected them to. With extensive foresight, Bobcat Miner has designed an all-around robust miner built from industrial-grade components and materials that can endure long-term use with minimal maintenance and is highly resistant to equipment failure. This means less downtime for maintenance and equals more earnings for you in the long run.